You think all salt is created equal? Think again. From the fiery depths of volcanoes to the pristine shores of France, the world of salt is more diverse and exciting than you ever imagined. We're talking Himalayan pink, black lava, fleur-de-sel salts, with colours that'll make your eyes pop and flavours that'll send your taste buds on a one-way trip to Flavour Town. First up, we're heading straight to the Himalayas, the roof of the world, where they mine this gorgeous pink salt. Forget those boring white crystals. This stuff looks like it was carved out of a sunset. And you know what? It tastes as good as it looks. This salt, my friends, hails from the Punjab region of Pakistan, buried deep within the Himalayan mountains. Millions of years ago, these majestic peaks were submerged under the ocean, and as the water evaporated, it left behind these incredible salt deposits. But what gives it that stunning pink hue? You guessed it, it's all thanks to the trace minerals like iron, potassium and magnesium found naturally within the salt. Himalayan pink salt is best used as a finishing salt, adding a touch of elegance and a burst of flavour to your culinary creations. Did you know that Himalayan pink salt was once traded along ancient routes, prized for its unique properties? Today, it's not just for eating. It's also used in salt lamps and spa treatments for its supposed health benefits. People believe that the minerals in the salt can help purify the air and improve well-being. So, next time you sprinkle some pink salt on your dish, remember, it's more than just a pretty face. Now, let's crank up the heat and head over to the volcanic regions of the world, where we'll find black lava salt, a salt as bold and dramatic as its fiery origins. This stuff looks like it came straight from the depths of Hell's Kitchen. Forged in the heart of volcanoes, black lava salt gets its distinctive colour from, wait for it, activated charcoal. The activated charcoal gives this salt a unique, earthy, slightly sulphurous flavour that's not for the faint of heart. It's got this smoky, almost umami taste that can add a real depth of flavour to your dishes. Imagine sprinkling this bad boy on top of your grilled fish, adding a pinch to your black bean soup, or even using it to rim your next margarita. Trust me, the flavour is out of this world. The journey of black lava salt begins with the meticulous harvesting process near volcanic regions. Workers collect the salt from natural salt pans, where it is left to dry under the sun. As the salt dries, it forms beautiful crystals that are then carefully packaged and shipped to gourmet kitchens around the world. From the volcanic landscapes to your plate, black lava salt enhances dishes with its unique properties and bold flavours. Now, let's trade in our fireproof suits for a little sophistication as we journey to the sunny shores of France, where we'll find fleur-de-sel, the darling of the culinary world. This delicate salt is hand-harvested from the coastal salt pans of Brittany, where the wind and sun work their magic to create these beautiful, snowflake-like crystals. It has a delicate, slightly briny flavour that melts in your mouth, releasing a burst of pure, unadulterated saltiness. It's the perfect finishing touch for any dish, adding a touch of elegance and complexity to your culinary creations. Fleur-de-sel is truly a chef's best friend. The tradition of harvesting fleur-de-sel dates back centuries, with methods passed down through generations. Only the top layer of salt is collected, often referred to as the cream of the salt pans. Its unique texture and flavour make it ideal for finishing dishes, from savoury to sweet. Often gifted as a gourmet treat, fleur-de-sel is cherished by chefs and food enthusiasts alike. Its sparkling crystals are a testament to the meticulous care and natural elements that go into its creation. Truly, fleur-de-sel is the champagne of salts, elevating every culinary experience to new heights. Aloha! We're heading to the tropical paradise of Hawaii, where the sun, sand and surf meet a very special ingredient, red Hawaiian salt, also known as alaya salt. This vibrant salt is like a taste of the islands, bringing the warmth and spirit of Hawaii straight to your plate. Harvested from the pristine waters surrounding the Hawaiian Islands, this striking red salt gets its vibrant hue from a secret ingredient volcanic clay known as alaya. This iron-rich clay is what gives the salt its distinctive reddish-brown colour and adds a subtle earthy flavour that's simply divine. For centuries, native Hawaiians have used red Hawaiian salt in their traditional cooking, adding it to everything from kalua pig to poke to poi. Sprinkle it on grilled meats, use it to rim your cocktails, or even add a pinch to your popcorn for a taste of paradise. Fasten your seatbelts because we're about to embark on a culinary journey to the ancient lands of Persia, where we'll encounter one of the rarest and most prized salts in the world, Persian blue salt. Mined from the ancient salt mines of Iran, Persian blue salt, as its name suggests, possesses a rare and mesmerizing blue hue. This blue is 100% natural, a result of the unique mineral composition of the salt deposits. It has a subtle, delicate flavor with a slightly sweet and tangy finish that's unlike anything you've ever tasted. Think of it as the diamond of the salt world, rare, precious and guaranteed to elevate any dish to gourmet status. Right, put down your tweezers and grab your smoking guns. We're about to enter the world of smoked sea salt, where fire and smoke combine to create a culinary masterpiece. This isn't your grandma's table salt, this is salt with attitude. Now, this process isn't for the faint of heart. We start with high-quality sea salt, spread it out over smoking racks, and then slowly smoke it over smouldering wood fires for days, even weeks. The salt absorbs the rich, smoky flavors of the wood, creating a depth of flavor that's simply out of this world. Trust me, once you go smoked, you'll never go back. All right, buckle up for our final destination, the mystical Himalayas, where we'll encounter a salt that's not afraid to break the mold. Himalayan black salt, also known as kala namak. This isn't your average everyday salt, this is a salt with a rebellious streak. Mined from the Himalayan foothills, this salt might appear pink at first glance, but don't let that fool you. Once you grind it down, it reveals its true colors, a deep purplish-black hue that's as captivating as it is pungent. Himalayan black salt has a distinctive sulphurous aroma that's often compared to boiled eggs. This unique flavor is what makes Himalayan black salt a prized ingredient in Indian cuisine. It adds a depth and complexity to dishes that's simply unmatched, lending its unique flavor to everything from chutneys and raitas to fruit salads and even vegan egg dishes. Well, there you have it, you bunch of hungry foodies. We've traveled the globe, explored the fiery depths of volcanoes and scaled the towering Himalayas, all in pursuit of the world's most fascinating and delicious exotic salts. Remember, salt is the spice of life, and these exotic varieties are here to elevate your culinary game and add a touch of adventure to your plate. So ditch that boring table salt and embrace the world of flavor that awaits. If you enjoyed this culinary adventure, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel for more delicious content and let me know in the comments below which exotic salt you're most excited to try.